Fa Emma Coffee. Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to say,
Nhyira, me ho ye pa.
You dey me say.
On a Saturday, me hu na ojo ahome.
Asemo.
Say, we okay.
Kakra. Say ya ren there. Say ba one day, but e kwa.
But Saturday ne fada o.
Oh, madam, go baby.
I'm fine.
That's why we say PP dey.
Fada. Because oda e be boa.
So what am you? We say ade ba come the poor so.
Me no dey me da.
O dey won na dey.
Saturday Chelsea match kwa me say me kwa asonro pa me so we do lights and adwo no. Lights as me nkabi and me nkabi. Inya mo.
See you do money be. That. Na ko fi baby we as edri. E da so da ken se bi esu mu. Ya o.
Enye everything me say do. Say me show. It was able to buy AC, my banner, not do AC. I have to come and turn it on. And we can't show them.
Me switch bar.
It's now home on Saturday night, almost 3 a.m. And honestly, this is not political. Time when I'm in first year, and so I'm back here in West. So I like the picky pa. Rich. So I tell me, here's what we tell us, Sonny, and that from you. Because you can't sleep. Those days, bunny hostel, 3 in a room. What's mean that?
The heat.
Yeah.
Tum.
Yeah.
Sanya mami no we.
Nyamenu no kiri mujine ni na mpa mo bachelor this or mama miscanament generator.
Serious.
Yeah, and you see that is another problem because one should here all the middle class will find solutions, individual solutions to your problem so much so that the government that will come will not care. Ili me bompa ye say grid corona problem say cause see just no. You see that's the problem. I want to trust Minister of Energy Abdullah Jinapo. So that's the issue. Then we hope that. But you see the problem is that in Kumasi before these banks they are doing some of these things are never. Kumasi I see. Almost share ECG so mama ECG penifudi ejina. I'm hoping that if that is the case everybody solve the problem and then solve it. But if it doesn't, technical people they won't form as a come so it wasn't good. This Sunday me buy no meti and na no any jai. Me die I mean listen no ma bo Chelsea match na we cry.
Asemo. Doing something too much. And I mean a clear indication of system failure.
Yeah.
Baby I do no love when I do as for mine. And see that's what I say yam ku enum da.
Yeah.
The bia issues na bad da no kwa na za baby.
Same troubles. Yeah, fine.
Too much. You're paying for them, you know. I mean, Ghanaians, we deserve better.
Oh, and
deserve better.
And the Minister of Energy, so press conference. I'm sure say
too much.
I better idea to solution.
Me too.
Sebastian just Spanish La Liga.
Medio magic.
Oh, medio magic. Mathematical. Oh, but me medio magic, mami. Madrid for what's up about the weekend. I don't see how Madrid goes into this game and then goes into the rest of the season and then gets the results. They can't turn it around. Which means, at the end of Madrid airpay, at the point in time when that gap between Omo and Barcelona is 7 points, was to go further in the Champions League. But immediately that was curtailed by Bayern for superiority in both games. There was nothing to fight for at Football Club Real Madrid. And I think that for Madrid, the focus now should go on Summer, who becomes their manager. For me, Barcelona we can even catch a guy said, Barca way to a tough year, everything so bad. And it was 2 players who had to stand up. In this season, Macasa, there have been times that Barcelona needed our 3 or 4 players to stand up. When Lamy and Rafinha Pra, Fermin Lopez, at some point it was Ferran Torres, but then I say goes in and Marcus Rashford. Most especially Ferran at some point in time was season him. Over the weekend, it was Fermin Lopez and their friend Marcus Rashford, and they could have the 2 goals for them. In my eyes, the Spanish La Liga is done and dusted. In fact, equal in front of Mundo Deportivo and Sport. Sport the same Barcelona for early champions, total leaders. I think on Saturday the headline was plus 11 points, and that's exactly what it says. What I see. Plus 11 points that is in there between Football Club Barcelona and its friend Real Madrid. The focus now should be about the summer planning. Meaning, if Barcelona fans will see this season as a success or a failure, Meaning say Barca for 18 bit my reply my this season is because it's the last season. Almost the league, you know.
Yeah.
Did you win a Copa del Rey last season? I'm not too sure. But almost was the semi-final of the Champions League. And I interview on film. For a lot of Barcelona fans, they be remember is the Albert and friends in Princeton. They wanted to get to the semi-final and then get to the Champions League this season. Then a familiar foe in the quarters of the Champions League, Atletico Madrid, and since then, of course, they are going to win the Spanish La Liga. I don't know. So, Barcelona, if you consider this season a progress from last season, or how do you consider Barcelona? Is it a failure based on the fact that last season is the same thing, however you want to see it? In my opinion, I think they've made some good steps in terms of solving some pertinent problems with the team. There were the goalkeeping issues from last season. This season it has been solved. The depth of Barcelona attack was another question. Marcus Rashford about how they can get certain players fit for the long haul. Obi Chimaginsi has said so. Uju Obi said Rafinha a planning yard in the course of the season. It means that Barca will need another left winger, even aside Marcus Rashford. That is younger, that can give them a run for their money because the injuries is becoming a little bit too much. Once the extension of Abante FN Hansi Flick is done, then the summer planning begins. Almost is kind of more for Marcus Rashford no doors, 30 million. And I'm going to wages as I was so.
Marcus Rashford. Kofi, very uncomfortable.
Wait, the only came at Besho, I come the cop. I come.
Say, now come there, much. Oh, Marcus Rashford. I must say,
and you never Marcus Rashford, and 3 years in the
now, even in the grass.
On Sasa, but 30
days.
Some master for say it's in the context of the salary. Because Otto Marcus Rashford 30 million. You have to amortize the wage plus the purchase price.
Talk to the boy.
So you should reduce the salary.
30 days. 30 miles. Talk to the boy. Say, so salary now you know Manchester.
But for me,
so my.
Omiya starting this year, next on the another loan. One more season.
Young fan.
Ometo Marcus Rashford.
Ometo
na below there for actions na the contract in the way. Hey, who is out there for you?
Ometo.
Ometo.
Loan.
Money mono.
You didn't know. Now see the branch in Barcelona.
Aye.
You catch on Massa. A branch or what loan we pay. Obobi Amatono. Outright.
Second match.
Why when you bad? Marcus Rashford why bad?
Don't be weekend.
Yeah,
he has not been bad.
It's at least. What is the 13 grand I'm Jimmy 2080 is okay. No from Rani. Loan party, David.
But I think that the decision to whether finalize on Marcus Rashford staying or going will depend on Hansi Flick. I think there's Hansi Flick to be a proper case. Say Marcus is very important to his team, and in that own keeping now, I think that my friend Marcus Rashford will stay in the club. And that's going quickly on Madrid for managers now. Who say the most concerted one? To say Obitima Madrid Jurgen Klopp. The problem is about availability. And I was thinking about something this weekend, Rich. Jurgen Klopp probably is the last try or a different kind of manager Madrid for them try either. Let me give an example. If you meet Carlo Ancelotti or a more player-oriented manager, sounds like experience. When Mbappe came about the last season, then they went on to Xabi Alonso. Xabi Alonso is player-oriented or a more system-oriented. Yembo 4-2-3-1. Vinia, Bujina side ha pressing me. We will more the free. I say. He is not as experienced as Abante friend Carlo Ancelotti, but he's the first of the breed. It wasn't successful. Then Madrid moved on to Alvaro Arbeloa, who is a player-oriented manager similar to Carlo Ancelotti, but then also inexperienced. Madrid will only not get the success that they are looking for. Which I think it's time to convince Jurgen Klopp to come. Imagine next season, Barcelona with Hansi Flick, Madrid with Jurgen Klopp. Jurgen, a system-oriented manager, but also with the experience of Hansi, or even more of Hansi Flick on the touchline. Maybe Madrid for us will try it. No, I'm sure the year season never caught our when it comes to that game. Now we can win your share.
But my boys, no
more, bro.
Now, when are going to be?
I watched it afterwards.
I was watching the game and at the point. Now me be some questions. Is it the Chelsea team and me how much from the goalkeeper?
Yeah.
defense, midfield, attack.
Yeah.
What do you say? Chelsea players, you know. Be able to be.
Yeah. And say anything almost like William. Who said that many argument was that he trainer season in.
I think if you are not board in the decision.
Yeah.
And your coach in the per se.
Exactly. So see, I just to say Liam was just or a collateral damage. No. On your and of course it affected him. I think also Liam was doing too much. And so also United is clear. Which man who say Robert Sanchez tries to debut build from the back. I don't know when you watch the game. The few times they try to do, when means it's not pressing. So when there's a chance to go long, they go long. And you're afraid that then they use Pablo Neto as an outlet in that area. And it worked well in that regard. But like you said, when Chelsea fans were thinking of sacking Yambo Senior, they felt that there was a slightest game of hope. Say, okay, see it me call the FA Cup final this season, Chelsea have got 4 finals under Cleric. Maybe this was Cindy. See a Coco FA Cup now means he had 3 trophies in 3 years under Cleric. And see a bit near pushy. Let's give it to the Champions League and FA Cup. Let us take Liam away and then give the boys an opportunity to fight for Carlo McFarlane, and they did. I think that the tactical setup from Carlo McFarlane was good. Again, at the Bakwa, it was sensible. And junior coach now before Juma in this circumstance, like I said, you don't need to do too much. Steady the ship. Who say Oboto seen any travel? And the reason is simple. They are not the best centre backs for Chelsea. Obiang say Hato and Fofana have formed a very good pair. The issue is the 2 centre backs of Hato and Fofana, and they say, only the natural box defenders. And only the area heights. No? So against Felix Metamonia in this game, he played a normal box defenders. And Ochaya, especially in the second half, Chelsea were putting their bodies on the line a lot to dig in and defend. And I think that is what made the difference. Which Chelsea fully Pomumpo, the best player in the attacking sense, midfield area, or Chelsea team this season, Enzo Fernandez. And if you look at Blue Crow for one, ever to Chelsea team now, you can't take the top 3 players without mentioning Enzo Fernandez's name. On the big nights, on the difficult nights, the personality, technically how astute he is as a midfielder. This man, Enzo Jeremiah Fernandez, a top. And on the nights like that, he showed again. And that is what tells you how much of a good player Abrantia, your friend Enzo Fernandez. Only said this season, midfield is the English Premier League winning now or England in all competition. And only one player pen a chain in terms of goal contributions. That is Abrantia friend Morgan Rogers. Apart from Rogers, no, Enzo Fernandez, 13 goals this season. When you look at the all competitions in England, he has been fantastic. I'm saying this, Chelsea are on the 4th final under Bluco. 3.5 years. Is that a measure of success?
Kakra.
Because
the only problem I have with Bluco, so you project project no, and so my whole time. So what I say a long-term project now. Okay, let's say 5 years. 5 years, the first year they are 2 players. Players bend the person do a project, because a long didn't you have for young players. I feel so future say build them together. They can blossom and then give us result. But the problem I have with the project is say as I'm come I don't know
the coaching instability,
coaching. Players near there
for me for me my biggest problem, like you are saying, the instability, of course, especially recent one. And Chelsea were one of who beside Chelsea in Rebecca. Even the most difficult times, they are only Madrid the bonus in one year on cast when you match. Chelsea's owners that even when they are in the difficult times, we never budget. So it looks as if I mean, if not for nothing, since Bluco by the difficult times, we did 2 trophies. I'll always compare it to Arsenal that we wrote today. In 6 or 7 years, it's just 1 trophy. And
Arsenal, they are back to the summit.
Almost say Arsenal will win the league. Arsenal win the league. City Besha no Besha. Okay. City Castle Besha, Arsenal so Besha. My only problem with this game against Newcastle United was that they had to do the job and they did it. But again, as Arsenal for the show, my team say they fight against no difference. See.
Okay, information one.
Against no maybe not between us anymore.
I tell you, I touch how you know. Pressure, what so? To be honest with you.
Oh, of course, they don't want to lose.
Touch now.
Yeah.
Me say players the come hen I am abambu.
Which is a pressure they ever done
to deal with or no cause pressure or the
you see, people talk about how Chelsea for spend this car. If you look at the amount of money, mommy first. If you look at the amount of money Arsenal for spending, I'm not saying it's close to what Chelsea has spent, but in what areas and how many players they've bought and turned over in the last few years you'll be marveled. When you say play a beer Arsenal, then they start your projects, no. Make up Thomas Step at more time, no. Granit Xhaka more time, Jorginho more time, no. About 98% of them are not at the club. So it's an entirely new phase of players now for the Bono. For me, that is why it's important to judge things step by step. I think it's Arsenal for the budget English Premier League. I like this from Martin Odegaard. Also, it's going to go all the way. Some mentality you play game as it is. We are ready for it. We are going to fight every single day to get a success. And like you said, Arsenal for are back on top. Our English Premier League, Liverpool for cement now. Liverpool for win a good boost for Chelsea because the Arsenal are fit. If it maintains like that and Chelsea keep up a good form, Champions League may be in there for Chelsea Football Club. Of course, for Inter Milan, it's almost time for the winning of the Italian Scudetto and all of that.
Okay.
And the man did Bob and Saturday boys in first scout 3 separate schools.
Okay.
And our boys need discuss almost say yen twice na young first be into the show and all team media just as we did on Saturday in the streak we are going again into team radio so now watch your pen or paper bit my screenshot on Nhyira TV. First one a BW 517FF 2A2. Second one a BW 517F 749B. Third one a BW 517F67F6. Fourth one a BW 517F5E28. And the last one a BW 51732C2F. Rich.
Okay. Yes. Kofi, Yanso Yadase. Caleb Amponza. Aso Richardo.